Hello, my name is Crystal Hutchinson. I am a consultant at the Central Kansas Library System, and today I'm going to show you how I make a request for an item that is part of the floating collection. A floating collection item is a floating playaway or some other type of item that has been sent by the Kansas State Library to our Kansas libraries, and we are able to share them with each other. And the proper way to share floating collections is by making a request on SHAREit. So I have already logged into SHAREit, which is our statewide interlibrary loan, and I am going to make a request for an item. Now I'm going to put in a title that I know happens to be one. And you always want to wait until this bar fully loads before clicking on any of the options. And as you can see, it goes through all the catalogs. Now I'm going to scroll until I find the title that I was looking for, American Creation in this situation, and I want to make sure that it has floating playaway collection somewhere in the publisher field, or in this one it happens to be at the end of the title. Next I'm going to request this item, and this is very similar to all of the ways that we request materials for our patrons through interlibrary loan. So I'm going to put some information in our two fields, and you always put in whatever your workflow is for ILL. We put just the last name and the date. Okay, so my item has been requested, and with all of our other requests we have to go and approve it, and this is where we're going to make the change to request specifically this floating collection. So I go into Request Manager, and I'm going to go to that awaiting approval. And as you can tell, I've done this a few times, so there's a couple already there that I've deleted. So I'm going to click on the one that I just did. I go in and I scroll down to where the lender list is, and each of these shows what the library code is. So I'm going to go ahead and delete out everything except for the FPC. That stands for Floating Playaway Collection. And after I have deleted that out, I go ahead and click on Submit, and it has been successfully updated. So that is how you request a floating collection item. And if you have any other questions and you're in the Central Kansas Library System region, don't hesitate to give Kathy Ron a call or send her an email. Thank you very much.